Welcome back to a brand new Team How video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to check your content for plagiarism before uploading to your blog or your website. Okay, guys? So let's say that you have a content writer and you paid that content writer to write a few content for your blog or for your website, right? You want to go ahead and check that content for plagiarism before uploading it to your website or to your blog post. Okay, guys, so before we get into this video, please go ahead, if you haven't done so already, leave a subscribe right here. Just go ahead and click the subscribe button, guys. It really helps me. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like, share, and you're awesome. So let's get right into this video, guys. So in order to check my plagiarism, what I do, I usually use this website. It's called smallseotools.com. As you guys can see the URL right here, Plagiarism Checker. Okay, guys, so as I was saying, you want to check all your contents before uploading to your blog post or your website because as we all know, plagiarism can negatively affect your website or your blog. Okay, guys, if you have plagiarism on your website content, it will give you a lot of problems to get your website ranked, and that's also a problem. If you can't get your website to be ranked and be on the Google's front page, then why are you having a website? Understand what I'm saying here? So you do need to check your plagiarism at all time. So this is the way I do it, guys. Again, smallseotools.com. So I have a little content right here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and copy it like so. Right, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this content. Once it's copied, guys, I'll go ahead and paste it here. Okay, so as you can see, total words and everything like that, the limit, guys, is 1000 words. So if your content is over 1000 words, what you want to do is just cut it into sections. Like the first 1000 words, place it in there. Then you want to put that back into your document. Then you want to copy the next 1000 words and put it in here, assuming that your website post is like 2000 words or over 1000 words. Okay, so once you drop it in here, what you want to do now, guys, is scroll down and click on check plagiarism right here. As you can see, it's loading. Okay, guys, as you can see, results are calculating right now, and I already have 13% plagiarism right here. I have 25% plagiarism. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, the content has been checked, and I currently have a total of 25% plagiarism. So I have right here as plagiarized, and if you hit on compare, guys, it will load up the website that has a similar content. And as you can see, all of these websites right here has a similar content to what I have on my post right now. So going back, Going back, guys, what you want to do right now is you want to go ahead and copy this, hold up. Alright, so what you want to do now, guys, or what I usually do is I would come over to this right here, this website otranscribe.com, and I would paste the entire content in here. Give it a second, guys. Okay, after pasting the entire content in here, guys, what I would do now is I would go ahead and I would copy this and make the edits. Okay, so I would press Ctrl and F for search and paste that in here, and as you can see, it's highlighted. After it's highlighted, what I will do is just go ahead and make a few changes so the copyright, so it's no longer plagiarized. The moringa seeds are, so what I would put here is change this moringa seeds are an excellent source. So I would change excellent to something wonderful source of calcium and vitamin D. Okay, guys, and just like that, it's no longer plagiarized that one line. So what I'll go ahead and do again is also copy this and paste it in here as well. And as you can see, I'll just make a few adjustments to this as well. Just one small serving of seeds provides more calcium and vitamin D than drinking 3 cups of whole milk without consuming all the extra fat and calories. Okay, so I'll change this to adding like one small serving one serving of the seeds. No, I'll just change like a little serving of the seeds provides a lot more calcium and vitamin D than drinking than when you drink 3 cups of whole milk without consuming all the extra fat and calories. Without getting all the extra fat and calories. So it's as simple as that, guys. As you can see, all of this has already been fixed. It's no longer plagiarized, and we can just go through and fix all of the rest right here, guys, which I won't do because it's only a tutorial and I'm trying to make this video extremely small, guys. What you can do as well to make sure that the grammar is right for you, you can go ahead and download Grammarly. It's a very wonderful tool to use, guys. It helps you to fix your writing and fix your grammar to make sure that it's great for the readers and you have no problem. It also helps you to rank on Google, guys. Okay, so you can just go ahead and add it to the Chrome extension. I have the link below the video, guys. So you just have to put in your email, add it to your Google extension. I already have it to my extension right here. So just to show you a little bit of how it works, as you can see here, it already is working for me. So like I have, moringa seeds are a wonderful source of calcium. So it's showing me that it's not supposed to be an. I can change that to a wonderful. So that is already fixed there. Then here it's showing me something again. Clients is spelled wrong, or yes, it's spelled wrong. So I just go ahead and change it here. And get, so it's also showing me another error right here, and Grammarly is doing this, guys. It's making it very easy for generally do It's making it very easy for your readers to read your content, guys. So again, I hope this video helped you guys. If you don't understand something, just go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll help you guys. I always reply to my subscribers, guys. So if you have any question at all, go ahead and leave it in the comment box below. I'll look through them, I'll answer, and I'll reply to you guys. So please, if you haven't done so, again, go ahead and leave a subscribe, comment, like, share this video. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day.